Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to open Sparkasse bank account. So guys, basically this is easy steps you can do. Just open Sparkasse website. After that, go to products, and from products guys, go to accounts and cards, and from here you find a different section, banking and cards. And for example, banking, you can choose anyone from this here. For account guys, click current account from here, and you will also see option open account. And for saving account, this one, click open account. After that guys, what you have to do is just wait till loading this page and click write this information and just click open account. From here you can change the zip codes. If you want to change your zip codes, scroll down guys, you can click open Gero Digital and you will be redirected to this page. So guys, after that, wait to loading this page also. And after that guys, you see this page reading, as you can see here guys, Gero Digital, and you have all complete this all information. Salutations wife or lord, and click this one and add title optionally and write your full names and write birthday data guys. After that, scroll down, choose your nationalities and add your address, date, postcode, place, street, and Germany, countries, land, and contact details, your email, your mobile. And after that, scroll down, choose this contact option, telephones and electronic mails, and add here the optional tax ID. After that guys, complete the steps and they will ask you about your ID guys, identifications, and after you can upload it. So guys, this is how you can do. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to give like and give share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon guys. Thanks again for watching this video. This is costed card 4.95 euro per month, and you can choose guys this online banking access, and you can get online banking access and request a card